Hello, my name is Rodrigo and welcome to the tutorial on how to use Document Intelligence Studio in Azure AI. So we will first navigate to Document Intelligence Studio under AI Azure, and we're gonna select the settings cog on the far right side. We're gonna click resource under settings, and on the far right side again, we're gonna click create new resource. Then we're gonna select the subscription, Azure subscription 1, the resource group, which I already made, GDA1 or GDA, and then we're gonna enter a new resource name. So we're gonna try enter a receipt GDA1, and then under location we're gonna select East US, and then a price tier we're gonna do free because we don't want to pay for this right now. It's an exercise. So we're gonna click continue, review, and click finish. Now it's creating the new resource, and we just gotta wait till the resource is created. So let's just wait and enjoy the music. Sometimes this takes a little bit of time depending on the speed of the internet and depending on the cloud service. There's a lot of factors that it's considered when generating the resource. And now it's loading, updating, and we have our resource created. So the next step is we're gonna go back to Document Intelligence Studio. Then we're gonna go under the pre-built models right here, and we're gonna go and click the receipts and then try it out because we wanna try receipts. Then we're gonna select and drag and drop a file from the receipts that we have generated. So in this case, we have different ones. We're gonna test the receipt that was in the exercise first. We're gonna click then run analysis. So this is analyzing the receipt and gathering the fields that is gonna be predicted. And on the right side, when the analysis run, the results are returned. Notice that the service has recognized specific data fields, such as the merchant address, merchant name, merchant phone number, subtotal, total tax, transaction date, and transaction time. Also notice how it's in the bounding box, and you can see the totals with more fields values into it. Additionally, if you look at the far right side, it gives you the prediction value, how confident it is that this is a subtotal, 99.5%. So this essentially tells you what the accuracy is for the predicted value. So now, if you want, you can test your own images. So here's a Walmart receipt that I have got, and you can run analysis, and it'll try to analyze the Walmart receipt. Notice how it tells you the items that you're buying with the description, the confidence value, additionally the product code, the value for each price, the subtotal, the tax, and then the total amount. Additionally, it tells you the merchant name, the merchant phone number, and the merchant address. Also, it tells you the transaction date and the transaction time. And you can see this all on the right side. You can also select the items that are in a list to see what it predicted. And it tells you everything, like what the content is, the description, the product code, and the total price. So yeah, in this video, we use Document Intelligence Studio to create a document intelligence resource, then use the service to analyze a receipt from the results that were returned. And we saw how document intelligence was able to identify specific fields, enabling data from everyday documents to be more easily processed. Hope this helps, and thanks for listening, and I hope you have a good one. Thank you again, and take care. Peace.